Do you ever just look at your dog and think, how the hell can I love something so much? What are those?
They're called my sandals.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that. Look at.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
Bark at your dog.
Woof!
I was lonely, so I got a dog. But when I went to work, my dog was lonely. So I got my dog a dog. When I saw how happy that made my dog, I had to get my dog's dog a dog. But I don't like odd numbers. So I got my dogs a dog.